Okay, I'll give you a quick tour of this. I believe it's an elite one-bedroom suite. It's in the East Tower, 21st floor, double doors to get in, as I said, and coming straight away as a bathroom, toilet, some cupboard space for whatever you want, more cupboard space. Absolutely enormous telly, that looks like 60-inch plus. Haven't got the best view, I will admit, but it's towards the mountains and towards the West Tower. I don't normally like doing window shots when the lights are on, but it's a quick view. It's got a table in case I have any guests, highly unlikely, seeing as I've left the wife behind. My own bar, and I believe there should be a fridge so I can put some drinks in. It's nice and cold. Let's get some beers in tomorrow. And I go through the double doors into the bedroom. Nice enormous bed. Some sofa, another television. I did a good job with the wiring. Plenty of drawer space, and then changing area with a stool even to sit on whilst getting change. Lots of cupboard space. A safe right up there, which is not brilliant for me, being a short ass. And then into the bathroom. Have space. His and hers, sinks, hers and hers, his and his. And then through to here we have another lavvy. Big deep bath. It's just a soaking tub. It's not a jacuzzi or anything, and a shower. This place is absolutely enormous. I have to be very careful where I put my stuff, otherwise I'll lose it. But yeah, this is a one-bedroom elite suite, courtesy of MGM Rewards, with a freebie, a comp. I've got this with $100 resort credit and $75 in free play, and no resort fees. First time I've never had to pay resort fees, so all is good. Speak to you soon.